Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Signal and create a Signal account. So if you are looking for a new messenger app rather than Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp, then Signal can be another choice. So to start off this video, in order for you to use Signal, you need to download the app. So the first step is to head over to your iOS or your Google Play Store and type in Signal, and then you can download the app from the store. So once the app has been downloaded, click open. And the first thing you have to do is to tap on continue. And since this is the first time, then you click again on continue to give access to your contact list and to your friends on your mobile phone. And then again, you'll be asked to give Signal the access to your contacts, and again you have to give access and allow Signal to make and manage your phone call. So if you want to allow this to happen, you click allow, and if you don't want to give access to managing your calls, then you click deny. So I'll click deny. Okay, so now you have to enter your phone number in the field provided so that they can send a 6-digit code to your mobile device. Okay, and then you enter the 6-digit codes to your mobile phone, and then the next step is for you to enter your name and your last name. And then tap on next. Then the next step is for you to enter a 4-digit code, a 4-digit PIN rather. And this is important for you. It is really important for you to remember this PIN, because you will need it in the future. Say for example, if you decide to switch device or you uninstall the app and you want to reinstall it again. So it's very important that you remember your PIN so that you can save all your data and restore all the information that you have previously. So click next, and then you have to enter it a second time. Recognize your PIN, and we're all set now. Okay, so now if you want to see who among your contacts are using Signal already, just click on the pencil icon. Okay, and you will find people in your contact list who are using. One more thing, you can also send invites to your friends or your colleagues by clicking on the invite friends option here, and you can either send them an invite via email or via text services. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video, and comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.